This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing a single loose hexagon to see what's happening behind it. This tells you whether the mirror or the wall failed. Clean both the mirror backing and the wall with a mild cleaner and a microfiber cloth so adhesive will bond. If paint is flaking or surface is uneven, sand or patch quickly. Otherwise, stick to adhesive replacement. Once done, let surfaces dry completely so the new tape adheres strongly and won't trap moisture under the mirror. Now choose the right adhesive. 3M double-sided tape or foam pads work well because they offer immediate hold and some gap filling. Apply small 1/2-inch strips at each corner and one in the center of the mirror backing. Press each strip 10 to 15 seconds to activate the bond. Position the tile using a ruler or a paper template to maintain even gaps. Hold in place for another 20 seconds. If you need stronger hold, add a thin line of clear adhesive behind tape, but use sparingly. Finish by pressing each reattached hexagon firmly for 30 to 60 seconds, checking alignment and level as you go. Small shifts now are easier than later. Make sure you leave the wall undisturbed for 24 hours so the adhesive can fully set before cleaning. If any pieces begin lifting after curing, remove and inspect. Often the issue is insufficient surface prep or weak tape. Redo with stronger adhesive or repair the wall surface. If edges fog, gently clean with glass cleaner and a soft cloth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.